Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode with Technically Sashae. Today we'll be doing the glow outline using the Canva app. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, I found the best image that I thought that I'd use to create this video. And guess what? It is Mr. Marshmallow. Alright, so the best thing you'd want to do at this very moment is to get an image with a transparent background. That means that if I'm to add a color to this background, you will still see the background and not the white square or circle around the image. Now, we have Mr. Marshmallow here, and we would like to create an outline for him as we did at the top here, just a thin outline around the edge of Mr. Marshmallow. So what we do here is we get out the image, import it, and we make a copy of the image. Now that we've had a copy of the image, what we can do is stretch the image just a little bit, and we go to Effects and Duotone. Now, if you don't have this selected, it will possibly be down here below, and you can download whichever effect you'd want to use. Now, we'll be using the Duotone effect. Now, we click on one of the image. It doesn't really matter which one it is, but we click on the image, click on See All, and now we get the opportunity to choose whichever duotone we think is best for us. Now the color I'm going to choose is this cherry red duotone. Once you've added the duotone to one of your image, click on the other image and you will drag it over the duotone image that you have. Once you do that, you will now drag the edges of the top layer image and you basically drag it as big as you'd like just to give you that outline. However, if you realize that your image isn't popping, let me remove this yellow background here. What I normally do is I add several other duotone effects to it. Because what happens is, once you apply a duotone, it will automatically update in here. So what happens is, no matter how many times you go back to the duotone section, it will always have an updated color scheme. So before I chose cherry, and you can realize that cherry now has a more darker look to it. So I'm going to choose this amber tone here, hoping that it will give it a more pop color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my top layer here. And as you can see, it really does give it a more pop to it. And so if you're still not interested in how that background is looking and you want a little bit more pop, just move Mr. Marshmallow out of the way and go back to your effects. Select all and you can further up the color scheme to give you a different color each time, right? So this is how you add glow effect to just about any image that you'd like to add a glow outline to. Thanks for watching Technically Sashae. See you next time.